Templated STL containers as argument to function in Cython. I have written a function in Cython that will search STL vector of strings for a given string and return true if it is found, false otherwise. Performance is very important here. I would ideally like to have a templated function to do the same thing so I don't have to write a function for each data type. I am sure this is possible, but I don't know the Cython syntax for templated functions. I know how to do it in C++. Can anyone give me a hand?
Use fuse types. Example. Or this way.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.